one floating balcony.
Separating tiles or something.
I can't get that. You're gonna have to get that shot of all the tiles moving. Oh my god!